All right, so today we got this vehicle. We're doing a shampoo on the interior. As you see, we'll see all that fucking dirt right here on the seats. I'm gonna show you a little more, but yeah, we're doing an interior shampoo. Definitely is needed in this vehicle. He's trying to sell it, so we're gonna do our best to get it to a selling point. You know what I'm saying? We can't get it to restore quite all the way, but we're gonna definitely try to do our best. All right, I'm about to show you the interior of the seats now, and then definitely show you while I'm cleaning them. Seat's not that bad. We already washed the outside, did everything in it. But you can just see the stainage on the seats. Seats are already sprayed. We just gotta drill it. Come behind and shampoo it, man. Call it a day. So the reason why I put these blue rags right here is because when I'm drilling and shampooing, water can fly everywhere, and we already cleaned this. So we don't want to resurface or re-clean things. So we just lay the blue towels there, and as you see, the seat looks a lot better. A lot of the stains are gone. Looks more suitable for the person that's going to buy it. All right, so now we're about to start on the back seat. This one has a lot more stains than the front seat does. So about to start now. I'm about to show you my drill process and then extract right behind. So with the drill, as you see all these stains right here, it's real bad. Is what it is. I don't want to drill too hard, so I'm just gonna go lightly where I can control it. Because if I go too hard, it'll start spinning all around the place. So you want to go a good speed where you can kind of control it yourself, and it does just go everywhere. Because you see how it's flicking around? If you go too fast, that will happen. So you gotta slow it down, make sure it don't, get all over the place. In the third. Bro. Playing that Jeezy, that's what I'm talking about. All right, so I think the front seat is the worst seat. I did the back seat. I didn't get to show you. My phone was dying. I had to charge it. But I'm about to show you the front seat. This has a fat stain right here. So hold on. You see all this brown right here. Either that's a stain or that's just like abuse of the seat or whatever. But we'll see once I drill it and I extract it. I got my pump spray right here, so I'm pumping this up. Ready to go. I'm about to put a little Zy on the. You said what? So now I'm about to see if this stain is like from like people sitting and just rubbing it, or is it actually real dirt? Oh, that's dirt. Oh my God. So he did one line. Jesus. Yeah, you tell the difference from this side to that side. That's crazy. Wow. It's like mud. So again, people out there with seats, after a while, you do need your seat shampooed because it has a lot of dirt built up in them. As you see, these gray seats, because they're gray, doesn't mean no dirt in there. All right, so we don't have that much to go, but this is from all four seats, the dirty water. About to go pour it out and see what it looks like. Pour it out over here. I think it's a drain. It's a drain right here. Oh. All that dirty water. All right, we are all done. I'm about to show you the seats and the whole car. Got all the dirt out of it. Looks way better than it did. 100%.